Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to make a typewriter effect using variables and lists and Scratch. So let's do this. So first we need to make a custom block. So press make a block, and then we're going to name this block Typewriter, and then put in Word. Okay, click OK, and now you have your own custom block. Okay, put that back. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to make a variable and a list. First, make a new variable and call this variable length of word for the sprite only. Make a new list called word for the sprite only. Okay. Both for this sprite only. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the define section and select a delete all of word block because we don't want any of the word block in there. Okay. Yeah. Next thing we're gonna do is set length of word to 0. So that, yeah. Okay. And repeat. Grab a repeat block, and in that block, get a length of word. Okay, this is going to make sure that it repeats for the length of the word that is going to be typed in here. Okay, so what we do, so next going to change length of word by 1. Say, and no, we don't use the say block yet. Grab in a add letter length of word to word. We're going to see what this does. So just show the list for now, and we'll see what this does. So if I go to my blocks and type write hello, what does this say? It's going to list all the letters. Next thing we do is we're going to get a say block and say the list word. Now you can hide the list because you can say it. So now what happens if I type write hello? Yep, it says hello like that. If you want to add sound, just go to sound and select start sound, whatever sound you want. So then type write I am Scratch cat. And finally, we're going to say the word for say, go to say word for like 1 second. Okay, so now let's do something with this. So when the green flag is clicked, type write I am Scratch cat. Now let's do something cool. Let's use a join blocks. So then use hello and an exclamation mark at the end. And let's put my username. So my username is right over there. It says my username right over there. So let's test it out. Press the green flag and what is going on? Not that. Yep, it says my username just like that. Okay guys, I hope you learned something cool today, and we're going to see you tomorrow or next time. So bye-bye.